Hello everybody, welcome back to a new video on the V8 Detailer channel. Today I got you something special. It's gonna be a new list on my channel that talks about how to. So it's gonna be how to videos. We're starting off that with the very first thing that we're gonna do. How to install a dash cam. I'm gonna open a box with you guys. I'm gonna show you what's inside the box, and we are going to go ahead and install it on my 2017 Highlander that's sitting outside waiting for us. So this is a RigSync dash cam. It comes with the built-in GBS. It's V1 LG model. By the way, it's out of stock right now. It will be in stock pretty soon. It comes with many things: LCD screen, wide angle camera, high definition, loop record, temperature resistant, auto on and off, collision sensing, time stamp, and it has dual channel. So without further ado, let's go ahead and unbox this. This is the main camera. It has on and off switch, and all these buttons we'll get to in a second when we comes to program it. And this is the sensor. And the wide angle I was talking about is right over here. Look at this camera right here. You can adjust the height. See? And not just that. The camera itself, it has wide angle view, and at the same time you can point it to the right or to the left on a certain degrees. You know, a power charging outlet, the reset button. This is the memory card slot. This is gonna be for the other rear camera that we're gonna connect to this and then connect to the power. And then our small camera. And same thing, this is adjustable. They're all comes with 3M tapes and a couple more attachments in different setup for it. So these two, they goes on the windshield, and then you can slide this camera you can slide it right in here in case if you wanted to take it out, you know, someday for some reason. And it comes with the connection cord that connect the small one to the big one, and the power cord which is connects from the big one to the cigarette lighter with on and off button. Alright, so here is the rear windshield of the car. We are going to place the camera right here. Just you need to make sure that it's away from the you know, from the air spoiler that sits on the back, just to get a clear view. So we are going to set it right over here. We're gonna have to put the wires behind this cover, plastic cover, and it's gonna go through all the way over here and then gonna drop down here. It's gonna be visible, and we're gonna leave space just so when we open the trunk it doesn't get caught up in the middle, and we don't cut the wire when we close it. And same thing over here, we're gonna leave a little bit space so we can connect it to our camera, and then we're gonna run it through down here just behind those plastic covers all the way across the car, so it goes all the way to the front. Alright, so you see here, use this tool to just open up the plastic trimming, this plastic cover for the seat belt, and then you just gotta work your way all the way around this trim right here. Then I'm hoping this wire will be enough to cover the whole thing, you know. And then same thing for this window trim. See how nice it is? Can't even tell that there is a wire there. You know, the only part that you can see it really is right over here. When you open up the trunk, this piece is going to be hanging, but still we're going to tie up this over here so it doesn't look as bad. And this piece right here is going to connect to our camera. All right, we'll go to the other side. Get the cable. You gotta be very careful over here because you have the airbag. You don't want to damage it, you know. And then you gotta go right behind this door trim and work around it, work your way around it all the way to the other side of it. Well, I think this long enough to reach out to the front windshield. I'm gonna do the same thing again over here under the door trim. But this time we're gonna go all the way just right up to here, in this box right here. Same thing, gotta be careful. There's another airbag right here. This car is loaded, fully loaded, so it has, you know, airbags everywhere pretty much. We are at the windshield. So you guys can see here, there's nothing is visible. I have only this piece of the cable that is visible. I'm just gonna put it all the way in here so we don't see it, and it doesn't bother the driver. You know, we're gonna make it very tight so that way we have it only right coming right to over here where we're gonna place our front camera, and you know, should be good to go. And then we're gonna have to wire again the power cord, which is gonna be coming off the other side right around this right here, and then it's gonna be over the windshield going into door frame all the way down there right by the glove box, and then it goes underneath the glove box all the way over here so we can connect it to our cigarette lighter. So the cable coming from the rear camera has been tucked into the liner of the roof and came on the side of the base of the rear view mirror, as you guys can see here. It's trapped into those two plastic tabs that came with the camera, and then I had to tape the camera on the base of the rear view mirror because I didn't want to put it on the windshield. My windshield is cracked and I wanted to replace it eventually, so I didn't want to lose my base, my camera base, when I changed the windshield. And then about the power cable, I wired it on the other side of the windshield. As of the other one, it went under the liner of the roof, and then you have to work your way to force it right into that trim piece. It's plastic, one broke, but you just gotta be careful because there is another airbag sensor in there and you don't want to mess that up. And then once your wire is all the way in, you have to work it inside the rubber trim for the door all the way down right to the glove box. And then once you get to down here, on most of the cars it's either closed or open space. On this model there is a cover, plastic cover, that you have to open it to do so, there's a 4 taps that you have to unlock so you can take that cover out. And then as soon as that cover is released, you can have your wire go across the passenger side as close as you can get it to the cigarette lighter. And then after you put that cover back, you just hide the rest of the wire underneath that cover, and then you hook it up, you turn it on, and you are good to go. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any of the future videos. There's a lot of new videos that coming to either on this playlist of how to, or the other car washing regular usual videos. I think my next video is gonna be how to repair your rim and get it brand new again and looks shiny and nice, and how you can clean it very well and maintain your car paint, and all that is coming up on this channel. So stay tuned, and I will see you guys in the next one. Thank you.